Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I recently took the Veritas fiction writing course. I graduated last year, and yeah, my experience at Veritas was amazing. What I enjoyed about the fiction writing course is that it catered towards my love for writing. I've always naturally been good at writing, or and I've always loved it. So being able to take this writing course really, I want to say it gave me wings with my confidence in being able to write something that I could perhaps publish one day. And overall, the experience was just amazing, being able to read such wonderful books, such good literature, and to be encouraged to write high quality stories was a really great experience for me. I was very nervous in the beginning and I was stressed about the online courses and how everyone, would be able to interact with each other with it being online. But I would say to any new student to just relax. It is a wonderful environment. It's a great community. You're just here to learn and enjoy every moment of it. And once you let go of the stress, you can really just soak it all in and be able to do the best you can. Being the only foreign student in the classroom was I didn't have any problems with it. It was actually very interesting for me to be exposed to different people, different accents, and we are quite different to Americans, us South Africans. So it was a very nice contrast to see. And I made some great friends in the writing course. So it was a really great experience with the classmates and with the teacher as well. I had actually never heard of any of the authors or the books that we read. The teacher said that we read the classic literature of America. So we had not been exposed to that before. And it was very interesting to see. I had never thought that America had its own literature, the same as, Britain and the other countries. I just never thought of it like that. It was lovely to be able to read those stories, together. The course really pushed my creative boundaries, which is a very good thing. I prefer writing genre, and we were encouraged to push our imaginations by just writing contemporary stories. And that was a challenge for me, but I feel like the motivation to push my imagination it's something I'm carrying with me now. And it's a very valuable skill that I was taught, that we were taught in the course. So definitely that is something that I will always have with me. At the moment, I am working on a script with one of my family members. Hopefully, we can write that and perhaps present it towards a director or some place, to be made into a movie. Other than that, I do have a job at the moment, so I'm just using that to sort of fund my creative pursuits. And yeah, I would love to be able to write a book one day and hopefully publish as well.